How to add contacts on Signal. Signal is more fun when your friends are there too. Finding and adding people on Signal is a bit different than other apps because it prioritizes your privacy. This guide will show you how to securely add and find contacts on Signal. The easiest way to find friends is to allow Signal access your iPhone contacts. Go to iPhone settings, find Signal, and then ensure the contacts toggle is on. Now when you tap the pencil icon in Signal, you'll see a list of everyone in your phone book who is already using the app. You can start a secure chat with them instantly with just one tap. If you want to add someone who isn't in your contacts, tap the pencil icon and type their full phone number, including the country code, into the search bar. If they are on your Signal, their profile will appear, and you can send them a message request. This allows you to communicate securely without even needing to save the phone number to a permanent iPhone contact list. Get the whole crew on board. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks using Signal advanced messaging features.